In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO on a Wix website. If you're looking to make your website more visible and improve your search engine ranking, this guide is exactly what you need. So let's dive into this process together. First up, you need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App on your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to another set of options where you can begin optimizing your site's search engine capabilities. Next, navigate to the SEO and GEO section. This area is where you can start configuring your website's SEO settings, which are vital for increasing your site's visibility on search engines like Google. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Start Setup button. This is an essential step as it initiates the Wix SEO Setup Wizard, which is designed to guide you through the necessary adjustments and improvements you'll be making. Once you've initiated the setup, you'll then see an option to get started. Clicking this will take you to a series of prompts and forms where you will begin entering crucial information about your brand. Start